Today we will learn about the closure property in terms of the following mathematical operations of integers. One day a math teacher told his students, if someone can tell him about two integers whose sum is not an integer, they will get a chocolate. Within seconds, all the children started looking for those two integers with full enthusiasm. Some added two positive integers. Some added two negative integers. Some added one positive integer and one negative integer. But no one obtained integers whose sum is not an integer. In each case, they obtained the result an integer. Seeing the children getting confused, the teacher said, the sum of any two integers is always an integer, so you will not be able to find two integers whose sum will not be an integer. The children were annoyed on hearing that. They didn't get a chocolate, but they learnt a fact. The sum of any two integers is always an integer. Suppose there is a bag of all integers. We take any two integers from this bag and add them. If the result obtained is the number inside this bag, then we say that integers are closed under addition. Since the sum of integers yields a number from the group of integers, we say that the integers are closed under addition. Is the integer closed under subtraction? Think for a while. Let's find out. There are some red and some blue balls here. Suppose the value of a red ball is +1 and the value of a blue ball is -1. If we take 7 red balls, what will be their value? Since we have taken the value of one red ball as +1, the value of 7 red balls will be +7. If we take out 3 red balls from these, then it will mean we are subtracting +3 from +7. After subtracting, there are now 4 red balls left which have a value of +4. That is, +7 minus +3 is equal to +4. Here the result of the subtraction of two integers is always an integer. Similarly, if we have 5 blue balls and we take out 2 of these blue balls, then we are left with the remaining 3 blue balls. That is, -5 minus -2 is equal to -3. Here too, on subtracting two integers, we get an integer. Broadly, the subtraction a minus b of any two integers, a and b, are also integers. That is, the result is also the number from the same group of integers. Hence, integers are closed under subtraction. So far, we have learned that the integers are closed under addition and subtraction. Now let's find out whether integers are closed even under multiplication. For this, we will take a few pairs of integers and multiply them. As you can see, the product of all these pairs is an integer. Broadly, the product obtained by multiplying any two integers a and b are also integers. Therefore, it is also closed under multiplication. Now let us check if integers are closed under division too. Suppose a submarine goes 100 meters below sea level in 6 minutes. If we express the distance measured in the downward direction with a minus sign, then after 6 minutes, the position of submarine will be represented as -100. Now if we have to find out at what rate the submarine goes down, for this we have to divide -100 by 6. This will result in -100 divided by 6, or we can write it like this. This number is not an integer. Broadly, the result obtained from the division of any two integers is not an integer in every case. Therefore, integers are not closed under division. In this way, you now know that the integers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication, but not closed under division. So today we learned the closure property in terms of the following mathematical operations of integers. In the next video,